Another unboxing. This is from the Laundry Alternative Company. And it should be my spin dryer. Matthew, want to open that? Wait. Oh, that looks so cool. Just in the box, it looks really cool. Okay, let's pull it out.
Is there any water in it?
No, there's no water in it right now.
Oh, it looks like there's some in it.
Okay.
And it's big.
Yeah, it's big. It's not very heavy though. Look at that.
You're right.
Ooh, the Nina Soft. Electrical cord. And a very empty box. You know what? If I was a kid, I'd still want to climb in that box. Wouldn't you?
Can I?
Mm-hmm. Get in there. Down. Should we unbox Matthew? Yeah? Can you get out without falling over?
Yep.
Okay, let's move the box. Elijah, did you want to climb in the box too? Okay. You climb in the box now. Get in there. You want me to unbox you?
I'm a fan.
Yeah. Hello. Okay, you can stand there if you want to.
Oh, yeah. I want to have it. Can you move the box? Can you move the box back over there?
So, it comes with the thing that goes on top.
Seeing it was wiggling in there. Oh, that was
The drum inside here. This is what the inside looks like. That's the part that spins. Always place plastic safety cover on top of the clothes and inside the inner tub when using this device. Pull to turn off and open lid. Wait for the basket to come to a complete stop before removing the clothes. This is pretty neat looking. I can't wait to try it. It says do not dry shoes. Hush! It says do not dry shoes, stuffed animals, and similar objects. Cool deal. This is pretty nifty. Okay, I've got it plugged in. There's nothing in here at all. But it works. And it is that easy. It stops very quickly too. That's pretty cool. Now I can wash my sweater. Alright, so this was down inside the drum and I didn't even see it. But this is the instructions and stuff. And it says how to use it and everything. So yeah, I'm going to wash my first hand-spun hand knit sweater after I've worn it a dozen times and throw it through the spin dryer and see how it comes out. Alright, so this is my very drippy sweater. I just squeezed water out. It's still dripping. Just washed it, rinsed it twice the way you would any kind of wool. And I'm going to put this on top. Press it down a bit. Once you close it, it turns on. Y'all see how much water's coming out of that? Still dripping. water out. I don't know how long to do this. It has been 1 minute. Still a little bit of dripping water. That was all in that sweater, Elijah. The dripping is slowing down.
This water was all in my sweater?
I guess 2 minutes is what it's going to take, because that drip is starting to really slow down a lot. And it's been almost 2 minutes. Move the camera back over the top here.
That'd be weird if you... Is that dirty water?
It's really quiet. That's clean water. Or, I think it's clean water. Okay, so I'm tired of waiting, and it's been a full 2 minutes, so I'm just going to open it up.
It would be weird if...
Don't put your hands in here.
It would be weird if you,
Okay.
were just playing the water.
That's mostly dry. Oh my gosh, this is really, really dry.
Really dry?
And it's not 100% dry, but there's like, no way I could have done that with a towel.
Oh my god.
Sorry for the wiggling, guys. This is, hold that up, step back. Hold up, step back. I think my sweater, step backwards a few more steps. I think my sweater grew longer when it got wet. So I'm just going to lay it flat and let it dry the rest of the way and see how long it takes. But I'm very, very happy with my new spin dryer.